was cheating on me. Please don't disclose your information to me. Save it for the girls in CPSP. When out in the waiting room rose such a clatter, I left my desk to see what was the matter. To the front window, I went really quick to see this guy yelling, cursing. He was very upset. Just when I thought there was no end to this stuff, lo and behold, here comes Mr. Tough. He handled it well. We just want to thank you. No need for that, said Dr. Susenka. The staff was scared with no one else to call. Wouldn't you know it, a fight in the hall. Fists are swinging and flip-flops are flying. I'm telling the truth, I'm not even lying. I'll go out after I return this call. What doc is this? Dr. Kirkendall. We need to send someone who won't take any mess. Who went out? Just take a guess. It was Sylvia and Tiari, the sister girl and a Hispanic, telling everyone, please calm down, nobody panic. We got between two gals in their fight, trying to make everything right. The billers are busy. They don't hear a thing. Their heads are down, posting deliveries. Our surgery department is busy too. If you ask them what happened, I don't have a clue. A yell from the back, I'm ready in 5 and bring the big spec. Did she do her labs? What's her insurance? Did anyone check? Where's her sono? I haven't looked at her chart. I don't know. Don't leave me alone. Grab a Doppler and good luck getting heart tones. Okay, good. She's finally here. Now this doc is popular and worth the wait. She does not slack, nor does she lag. You got it. It's Dr. Mag. The back office is hustling. We're an hour behind. We need someone fast to make up the time. Don't be surprised. He can see 40 patients alone. Yes, he's here, Dr. Melchior. We're a busy practice, but we do have fun. Lots of new things, keeping medical records on the run. Capital City, I need a chart. You got the docs yelling, but don't take it to heart. After Irina thinks all her work is done, surprise, guess what? COG is opening another one. This place will be special, just wait and see. It's a birthing center for our docs to do deliveries. Well, it's been a great year, and your staff works very hard. We have lots of dedication. We sometimes get stressed, but you keep us stocked with Advil and Fioricet, the good medication. Now that I'm done with my poem and out of the spotlight, but before I go, Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.